Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into the crash test results of the 2025 ZEEKR X, an SUV that combines cutting-edge technology with impressive safety features. We'll explore how this futuristic vehicle performed in Euro NCAP's tests and what it means for driver and passenger safety. The ZEEKR X proved its robustness in the frontal offset test, with its passenger compartment remaining stable. The data showed good protection for critical areas such as the knees and femurs of both the driver and the passenger. ZEEKR's commitment to safety shines through, ensuring the same level of protection for occupants of various sizes and seating positions. When it comes to side impact performance, the ZEEKR X scored maximum points, offering good protection for critical body parts. Even in the more severe side pole impact test, the chest protection was rated as adequate, while other areas were well protected. The SUV also performed admirably in the rear-end collision test, with excellent whiplash protection provided by its front seats and head restraints. But what sets the ZEEKR X apart is its attention to post-impact safety. It comes equipped with an advanced eCall system, which automatically contacts emergency services, and it features technology that applies the brakes after a collision to prevent secondary impacts. ZEEKR also demonstrated its preparedness for extreme situations, like ensuring the vehicle's doors and windows remain functional during a water submersion incident. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest crash test results, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the automotive safety.